Stay at Ohm's law and explain any symbols that you use. So V equals I times R, or V is voltage measured in volts, and the symbol is big V. It's supposed to be a V, right? I is current measured in amps, big A for amps, and R is resistance measured in ohms, and that's the symbol there. I think that's called omega, right? So then we have a question: if the potential difference dropped across the resistor is 24 volts, so V equals 24, and the current passing through the resistor is 3, so I equals 3. Calculate the resistance of the resistor. Now V equals IR, so we can do this triangle technique, V over IR like this. Some people like this way, right? So V equals I times R, and we're looking for R, so R equals V on top of I like that. Right, so we'll go down here to the bottom left, so R equals V over I. We have our V value there is 24 volts, and I is 3, and 24 divided by 3 gives us 8, and our answer is 8. But we just need what do we need? We need units. So resistance, so it's going to be ohms. So that there, 8 ohms is the resistance of the resistor.